Discover how to get your ideas into the universe. With Gamma, you can create beautiful presentations, documents, web pages, and social media content in seconds with AI. Today, we'll explore how to turn a Microsoft Word file into a beautiful structured document in minutes using the Import a File feature. Let's dive into it. To begin, you'll need to have your Word file ready for import. From your Gamma dashboard, click Create New with AI. There are three main ways of bringing your ideas to life with Gamma: pasting in text, generating with AI, and importing a file or URL. Click on Import File or URL and select Upload a File. Upload your Word document, select the document format, and then click Continue. Gamma will analyze your file and automatically organize your content into a clean draft. Once imported, Gamma will extract the text and structure from your Word file and distribute it across editable cards. Here, in the prompt editor, you can choose Free Form to let AI distribute the content across the document automatically, or Card by Card to manually assign specific text to each card. Additionally, add, remove, or rearrange cards. Define your audience, tone, and language. Enhance your document with visuals by uploading your own images or generating illustrations using AI. With Gamma, you don't need to worry about design. Make your documents look stellar with just one click by choosing from a wide range of professionally designed themes. If you want to apply your own brand to your document, you can create and apply a custom theme using your colors, fonts, and logo. Watch our dedicated tutorial to learn how. Once you've selected the perfect theme, click Generate and watch your document come to life in seconds. Editing with AI. Gamma takes care of the heavy lifting, but you're always in control. You can keep customizing your document by adding more components, like text layouts, images, and charts. But if you want to make edits almost as fast as you think, use the AI assistant to rewrite, reformat, or refine your content instantly. Just describe what you want, and Gamma does the rest. To learn more about AI editing, check out our dedicated tutorial. Once you're happy with your creation, share it with the world by clicking the Share button to generate a link so anyone can view your document, even without a Gamma account. You can also export in different formats: PDFs for offline viewing, PowerPoint or Google Slides for further editing, PNG images for social media, and even publish it directly to your LinkedIn. You can also pick specific sections to export, giving you precise control over what you share. And that's it. With Gamma, you can transform plain Word files into polished, professional documents in a flash. Start for free at gamma.app and get your ideas into the universe. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gamma tutorials and